Okay guys, so prior to this clip, I co-washed my hair with the Suave Essentials Tropical Coconut Conditioner, and I used a microfiber towel just so I can retain the moisture, but my hair would not break with just using like a regular towel or whatever. So afterwards, you want to go ahead and part your hair into 4 sections, and I have like a little white little residue in my strands, but it's just conditioner. It's all good because it will, evenly be distributed once I style my hair. So after you go ahead and, like stretch your hair out and get all the sections squared away, you want to go ahead and take one of the sections down. And I normally like to start off with the front. So that's what we'll be working with today. After that, you want to go ahead and use oil or whatever style you want to use. I like to use this oil just to put a little bit of moisture back into my hair. And, because I want like this silky, shiny hair once, once my style is done. So that's what I do. I like to put a good bit of amount so I don't have to keep going back through adding oil to it. And yeah, so you want to go ahead and use whatever type comb you like to use, but I like to use a wide tooth comb. This is a wide tooth detangler comb, and I work from the ends all the way to the roots, just so I won't create any breakage or any damage or any knots. So after you evenly get your hair good and combed and stretched and straightened out and all that good stuff, you want to go ahead and follow that with using a paddle brush, as you'll see in a minute. And it just really like straightens out the texture a little bit more. So that's why I like to go ahead and use this step in the process as well. And I will not be using any combs for this style for today. You can create a lot of different styles or whatever without using your fingers. Without using a comb. So that's just how, this is what I like to do. So yeah, after you want to do this, you want to go ahead and pin your hair up. And I am we'll go ahead and proceed by using this section right here. And I am going to finger the tangle once again, and I will be using my tried and true Shea Moisture Curly Hair Smoothie. I love this stuff, guys. If you have not bought this stuff, please try it out and let me know if you like it, because it is the bomb. It smells good. It's very creamy. It's thick. It's just like really buttery and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but anything I put on my hair, I like to make sure I really press in the product so it can really get inside my strands. So yeah, I'm going to take the roller next, and I start at the middle of the hair and wrap the ends all the way going towards me, and then I want to put like a little tension on it, and then I bend the roller in whatever direction so it does not unravel. And that's all I do for the roller. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching this clip, and I'll get back on here. Okay, so when you're using a foam roller, make sure you're putting a lot of tension on the end and then roll up, and you can be real gentle going up, just because you want to really make sure the bottom takes form, or the ends of your hair take form, and you're kind of creating bangs. So yeah, that's what you want to do when you're using the foam rollers, if you're trying to get the style exactly like how I did mine. four orange foam rollers at the front, and then I have 6 of the flexi rods in the middle. Parts are not straight, don't care about that because it's going to be curled, and I'm going to like piece it all apart and all that good stuff. So let me show you guys the back really quick. I just did some Bantu knots to the back of my hair because it's still going to get like the same curl effect. So sit under the dryer and let this dry, and I will be back with the end results. Hopefully it is today, but if not, I might do it in the morning. And on my hair, on the parts that I didn't probably add any oil, I am going to probably go back and add just a little bit as I take my hair out to like do like on the ends and stuff like that. So anyways, I will be back in a little while. Shalom guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is actually part 2 of me doing the roller and the Bantu knot and the flexi rod combination to this head. So yes, if you guys want to see how I go from this to this, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've had this setting in my hair for 2 days. And yeah, I have my oil with me today. I have some Gorilla Snot for my edges, brush, and a wide tooth comb. I cannot find my pick, but we're just gonna rock with what I've got. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up. Okay guys, so right here, you just want to go ahead and take out the rollers, but while you're taking them out, you want to make sure you're being gentle, and you want to make sure that you're unraveling the rollers in the way that they were rolled, so you will not create frizz and breakage. If you just yank out the rollers, you can also create a frizz and damage to your hair. So be gentle. And also I like to add a little bit more oil to the fingertips and to really make sure it's easy for me to unravel the curls. So that's what I'm doing right here with the oil. It just kind of makes it slip through your fingers as you are unraveling the curl. So guys, this is it so far. I am going to blow dry it a little bit to give it a little bit more length. I need to make it a little bit bigger. So yeah, I mean, if you want to rock it like this, you can. It looks like a little curly afro or whatever. Yeah, but bigger the better. So getting ready to use my blow dryer and see what we can do with this thing. Okay guys, so I just ended up alternating the heat settings between hot and cold because I did not want to have any heat damage. So that's what I am doing right here, just alternating back and forth between the two. And you can see like the hair is starting to hang just with the little bit that I've done so far. So you can do it, you know, keep it on there as long as you want to, but I just wanted to kind of like elongate it a little bit because I didn't have a pick, and also it's more long lasting doing it this way, and I didn't want to create tangles and stuff by using a pick. Not to mention I couldn't find my pick, so look at the difference, guys. So yeah, I didn't really kind of mess with the bangs just because I liked how they were tight up there at the top. I just was really focusing on the perimeter, but like behind the ear basically, and yeah, just everything behind the ear. So you can do it however you like, but this is just how I did it. With this hair. I am in love with this hair. You hear me? Like, yes. I thought I was gonna need the gorilla snot just to see if I wanted to like tweak the hair up, the edges and stuff, bump the edges. Like my edges can be cool for right now. Like the length, and I don't know, it's so soft, y'all. Super, super, super soft. So this was super simple, like. And I feel so, I know this sounds corny, but I feel like somebody from the 70s. With my hair like this, yes, I feel like somebody from the 70s, for real, for real. I've always loved that era anyway. So yeah, like I like that it frames my face. I have kind of like a little full face. So yes, I just love everything about it. It's very healthy looking, like y'all can see the sheen, the shine and stuff. In the back is a little bit more cottony because, you know, I didn't have the flexi rods for the back of my hair, only for the front, and I had the Bantu knots. But you know what? I'm embracing it, and I don't really care that, you know, it's more defined in the front than it is in the back. And you know, curly hair is like that. You're not gonna have all of the hair, every curl, ringlet defined and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It was super easy to do. Y'all saw the steps. Please try this out. Let me know if you like it or not. Let me know if you try it or not. And I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more hair videos. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you like my hair. Y'all get another look at it really quick. It's so full. Like, let me shake it for y'all real quick. Love the way it looks, the shape of it. So yeah, like if your hair is short like this, embrace it. I kind of like manipulated it. Of course, my hair is not this short, but you know, since it's curly and whatnot, it's able to do that. Do this look, you will love it. And I cannot wait for my husband to get home. He'll be home soon, so I can't wait to see him, how he reacts to this hair. I know he's gonna like it because he likes my wool. Hope you guys like this video. Embrace your hair, embrace your beauty, and I will see you guys in my next video. Shalom.